Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Braun Series 5 5031S electric shaver with Prescion trimmer and cleansing brush attachments. It's a wet, dry, rechargeable cordless foil shaver in blue, as you can see. Close shaving made easier. This electric razors here, 3 flexible blades, adapt fluidly to our facial counters, while the EasyClean system enables the quick and simple cleaning, without needing to remove the shaver head. And everything even on touches boards. AutoSense technology reads and adapts power to our bird density, capturing and cutting more hair in every shave. And we have a lithium-ion battery for up to 3 weeks of shaving, 50 minutes. 5-minute quick charge for 1 full shave is possible. And it's 100% waterproof electric razor for wet and dry use, including Prescion trim and cleaning brush attachment. You can also attach this device with other shaver heads. That's really cool because Braun builds an option to add to this Braun Series 5 shaver additional parts to it. For example, the O2 BT is compatible, the O5 BT is compatible, the O6 BTD is compatible, and it comes with the O8 3D BT. And of course, the O3 BR is possible too. So you can remove the shaver's head and replace it easily if you like, because this is a foil shaver here now, but it can be a clipper, for example, if you attach the O5 BT, for example. That's really cool, and it's easy because you can remove it in seconds. Close shaving made easy. Because of the three flexible blades, this attaches to our facial counters. With EasyClean system means you can rinse water at the side of the shaver easily, and then it is cleaned immediately. AutoSense technology comes with it, that it is built for efficiency. AutoSense technology reads and adapts to our bird density, capturing and cutting more hairs in every shave. And we can upgrade with only one click. We upgrade our shaver for more grooming needs, as we like, but these parts are sold separately. And it's easy to handle. The new ergonomic handle enables an effortless shave with simple one-way movement. And engineered in Germany. The products are made to last contact brown easily because they're made and engineered in Germany, the devices, and brings us, if we contact them, they offer support of repair service up to 10 years. That's a good thing. And it's 100% waterproof for wet and dry use. Designed for shave dry with foam, gel, and in the shower, for example. And we have a long-lasting lithium-ion battery built in. 1 full charge provides up to 3 weeks worth of shaving. And 5-minute only recharging comes for 1 full shave. And the Series 5 comes easily to you, and it comes with an additional parts to you, and you can choose what you like. Of course, in the set are full clipper or full shaver in it, and you can use it as a full shaver. But this is for if you like to have a shaved design of your hair, of your body, of your skin on your head or in your face, which you shave 2 times a week or 3 times a week or every day. This is a good choice for this if you are continuously shave your head. And of course, it is in a cool design, I think, because it is black and a little bit blue in it, and it looks really wonderful, really. The appearance is provided with a safety extra low voltage plug-in power supply. To avoid the risk of electric shock, we do not exchange or tamper with any part of it. We only use the Braun power supply type, the 4092, and this appliance is suitable for cleaning under running water and use in a bathtub or shower. We do not use it with a damaged foil or cord. When the distance comb is removed, the cutting system should not be pressed into the skin, of course. That's a risk of injury for us. This appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above and persons with reduced physical, sensory or mental capability or lack of experience and knowledge if there have been given supervising or instruction concerning the safe use of the appliance. And of course, they has to understand the hazard involved. Children should not play with the appliance. Cleaning and user maintenance should not be made by the children itself. We keep the power supply and the charging stand dry because there is a charging stand which you can buy separately on the market for this device. And the brush must not be used on damaged or irritated skin or on wounds. If the skin irritation occurs, we discontinue the use. Avoid direct contact with eyes and hairlines, of course. The body trimmer must only be used with the comb attachment in delicate areas if we are using the body trimmer. This is the 06 BDT. The shaver head needs cleaning under hot running water after each foam or gel usage. The brush needs to be cleaned with cool running water after each usage, and we switch the shaver on and rinse until all residues have been removed. For hygienic reasons, we do not share this appliance with other persons. And it comes in a cool and easy design, and it's the right choice if you are going to continuously shave your skin on your head or on your face, of course, nearly every day to make a fine and good cut with it. This is the Braun Series 5 5031S electric shaver with precision trimmer and cleaning brush attachment. It's a wet and dry device, it's rechargeable, and it comes cordless to you. It's a full shaver in blue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.